Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making Instant Pot Tex-Mex Spicy Pinto Beans. And here are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. It's going to be a very quick and easy pinto bean recipe. If you like spicy stuff, then you should like it. Please like and subscribe to my video. The ingredients will be linked in the description as well. And like I said, a quick, easy pinto bean recipe. So we're going to get started with 1 pound or 16 ounces of dry pinto beans that have been rinsed and cleaned. Soaking is not required. I'm going to use about 5 to 6 slices of bacon cut up into little chunks. Going to use 1 diced up yellow onion. You can use white, yellow, whatever your preference is. Going to use 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of chili powder, or maybe a little tiny bit less than 1 tablespoon. This is all a matter of preference on how spicy you like it or can take it. So use just a little less than, maybe a half a tablespoon, but you use to your preference. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Frank's hot sauce, or you can use any hot sauce of your choice. That's what I had on hand, so that's what I used. Like I said, this is going to be spicy, so if you don't like spice, you're not going to like this. And they're going to use the diced up jalapenos, about 1 cup with the juices. And then we're going to put in the water. You're going to want to put enough water to go about 1 inch above your beans. And your onions are going to float, so you just got to look at the water, because you'll think, oh, it's not enough. But it's because your onions are going to float to the top. But as long as you see that the water is above the beans about 1 inch or 2, the more juice you have, the more water you put, the more juice you'll end up in the end. So it's just your preference, but at least make sure it's about 1 inch or 2 above the beans. And just stir it on up, and you can see, like I said, the onions are floating, but you can tell that, there's plenty of water in there with the beans, as you can see with the spoon. My basic bean, when I do any pinto beans, my basics are always the either ham or bacon, onion, garlic, and salt and pepper. And then you can add other things, which, depending on what type of beans you want to make. These are spicy Tex-Mex, so they're going to have the spice. I put salt earlier. Now I'm going to put some fresh ground pepper. And again, just kind of stirring it up a bit. You could really smell the spice. We're going to get the lid put on. I'm showing you that the valve automatically closes on this model. We're going to choose bean. It's going to set it to 20, but we want to cook it for 55 minutes. And on this Instant Pot Duo Gourmet, the bean symbol will remember what I set it at for next time. And we're going to do, like I said, 55 minutes. And then we're going to let it do a natural release at the end for about 15 minutes. Meaning you're not going to release the valve. You're going to let it just release for at least 15 minutes after. And now we're on. We're going to be back in 55 minutes, 70 with the natural release. Now we're back, and here's our beans with the lid off. You could really smell the spices, let me tell you. And I'm a little worried at this point, like, oh, I did it too spicy for me. I don't mind a little bit of spice, but I don't like too much spice, so it was spicy. But luckily I'm sharing this with somebody that really likes spice. And here's some pictures. And I thank you for watching my video. These were good, like I said, Tex-Mex. I will be doing other versions that, different bean versions, but this is a spicy Tex-Mex kind of version. If you like spice, you're going to like it. So I hope you give it a try. And I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. It would really help me to get my channel going. And if you could click the bell icon, then you'll be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice week. Take care. Bye-bye.